Hello my friends, once again. So today I come to show you how piston moves up and down inside the engine block. So we are going to see how top DD center works and the bottom DD center works. The motion study about 4-cylinder engine block. So how piston moves up and down. The next videos we will see how to create each part of the 4-cylinder engine, how to create piston, how to create piston ring, how to create connecting rod, how to create crankshaft, and how to assemble each part of 4-cylinder engine to get more full completion about inside the engine block. So I hope you will enjoy the videos. I hope you will enjoy how to design and create the 4-cylinder engine. Don't miss the next videos. Stay tuned to our channel to get more videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to share and comment on your channel. So my friends, thank you.